Hi friends, welcome to LaxmiYoutube channel. Today I am sharing how to make Sabja lemonade. For this, here I am preparing sugar syrup. We can store this sugar syrup for 10 days in refrigerator. For this, we want a cup of sugar and a glass of water. Here I am making large quantity of sugar syrup, so that I can store in the refrigerator and use whenever we will make lemon juice or Sabja lemonade. For this, in a bowl, here I am adding half kg of sugar, a glass of water, and mix well. Let it boil for 5 minutes so that the sugar will completely melt. We generally make sugar syrup for jamun like this. We should make this sugar syrup. No need to get one string consistency. You can see here the sugar is melted completely. Let it boil for 3 minutes. Now the sugar syrup is boiled, and switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now you can see the sugar syrup is cooled down completely and store in a plastic bottle. You can see here. Now we'll see how to make Sabja lemonade. For this, we want Sabja seeds and water. Take 2 tablespoons of Sabja seeds and add water and mix well and leave for 5 to 10 minutes so that the seeds will completely soak in the water. You can see here the Sabja seeds are completely soaked. Here I have kept these Sabja seeds in refrigerator so that they will get cool. Now for Sabja lemonade, take Sabja seeds, a lemon, sugar syrup and a glass of water and ice cubes. In a glass, add ice cubes, sugar syrup 2 to 3 tablespoons, Sabja seeds 4 tablespoons, lemon juice and a glass of water, and mix well all the ingredients so that the sugar syrup will completely mix. Now you can see the Sabja lemonade is ready. Like this we can make this Sabja lemonade easily at home, and it is also very simple. It is very good for health. It cools down body temperature. It is very good for skin, hair. Whenever we want to make this lemonade or Sabja lemonade, we can quickly make using this sugar syrup. Do try this Sabja lemonade in this hot summer and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.